Hello children, now today I am going to teach you 1 to 10. Earlier I taught you 1 to 10 and today also I am going to teach you just a revision lesson 1 to 10. So we can do some activities while identifying the numbers and identify the figures. Okay. Now we will start from the first number. Now we will see what is this number. What is this number? Number 3. What is this number? Number 3. Now here, this is how you must write number 3. Like this. Look, earlier I taught you how to write number 3. Not only number 3, 1 to 10 I taught you to write. Now today we are doing a revision lesson. Right? Now here, this is how you are writing number 3 and we see, now we'll clap 3 times and we see how many times we have to clap for number 3. Okay. Now here we start from number 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And here number 3. Okay. We clap 3 times. And here number 3. Now next one, we'll go to the next one. Here number, what's this number? Can you remember this number? I think you can remember this number. This is number 9. What is the number? Number 9. Now we'll see how many times we have to clap for number 9. Okay. Now we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Yes, this is number 9. For 9 only, 9 times we clap. Shall we shake our head? My head I will shake 9 times. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 9 times I shake my head. Okay? Now we'll go to the next number. What is this number? Here number 4. What is the number? Number 4. And here we are going to clap 4 times. How many times? 4 times. We see, we start from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many times? 4 times. Here number 4. For number 4, we clap 4 times. Okay. Now the next one. This is number 8. What is this number? Number 8. Okay. Now we'll shake hand. How many times? 8 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the number? Number 8. This is number 8. Okay. Now I will shake my head 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is number 8. What's the number? 8. Now we'll go to the next number. What is this number? Here, this is number 2. How to write number 2? Like this here. Very easy. When you write all the numbers, we trace the numbers, we use paint and wrote numbers, and we use brush with pencil, chalk. So now it's easy for us to write without having any practice. This is number 2. Okay? We'll clap 2 times. This is number 2. We are clapping 2 times. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Okay. That's number 2. This is number, you see? Yes. What's this number? Number 5. Number 5. We see how many fingers you have in your hand. Okay? One hand we have some fingers. We count and see how many fingers we have in one hand. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 5. What is this number? Number 5. Here 5 fingers and here number 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers and here number 5. You know how to write number 5? Yes, here. This is how you must write number 5. Okay? Use your chalk and paint and the pencil and write lot of 5s. And make sure that you are sure in writing number 5. Okay, children? We'll go to the next number. What's this? What is this number? Number 10. What is the number? Number 10. Number 10. Okay, we'll clap 10 times and we'll see in our both hands how many fingers we have. Okay, now here I am going to clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we'll see how many fingers we have in both hands. In one hand there are 5 fingers. We see both hands. We'll count and see. Otherwise we don't know how many fingers we have. Okay, we'll count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers are here? 10 fingers. Now here, 10 fingers. The number here, number 10. Do you know how to write number 10? Yes, 1 and 0. Okay, this is number 10. We'll go to the next one. What is this number? Number 6. What's this number? Number 6. Okay, we'll count how many times we have to count to make number 6. We'll knot the head first and we knot 6 times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 6 times. Again we'll clap 6 times and see how many times I clap. You count and see. I am also counting. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Not the head 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is 6. How to write number 6? Like this here. We start from here. Okay, coming down, going round and coming back. Right? That's number 6. Okay, we'll go to the next number. This is number 1. What's the number? Number 1. Okay, now here number 1 is the first number when you count 1 to 10. Okay, we can clap only how many times? 1 time. Here 1. Okay, how many times? 1. It's easy to write number 1. Here, just a line. 1. 1. Okay, now this is the last one out of 1 to 10. This is the last one. Okay, what is this number? Is this number 8? No, we finished number 8. What is this number then? Number 5? No, this is number 7. What's the number? 7. This is how you are writing number 7. Okay, now we'll clap how many times? 7 times to make 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yes, only 7. Right? Now here children, can you remember I taught you a nice song about 1 to 10. Shall I sing it for you? This is a revision lesson. So I think you can remember the lesson. Repeat my lessons every time. Then you can learn more about numbers. Number lessons are very interesting. Okay, now we'll sing the song. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little children, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little children, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little children, 10 little girls and boys. With action song we'll sing. Huh? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little children, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little children, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little children, 10 little girls and boys. Now, children, I would like to teach you a nice story about a duck family. What? A duck family. There's a mother duck, and the mother duck have how many babies? We'll see. We'll see the story. This is a song. Actually, it's a story, but it's a song. When I sing the song, you can listen to it and see how many ducklings are there. When the mother shouts, they are coming very fast back. Okay, we'll see. Okay. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 and all the 5 little ducks came back. Okay? Can you remember? This song is very nice. See how the mother duck calling the children, how they are going out and how they are coming back. That's a number song. Okay, thank you for listening, children. Hope you enjoy the lesson. See you again. Thank you.